Hey guys, so today I'm gonna make a quick and easy chicken salad. Add some shredded chicken breast on a cutting board. Add some onions and some pickles or cucumbers. Now we're gonna add our avocado. Add your cottage cheese. Add your greens. I'm gonna use arugula. Now we're just gonna chop everything up. Yep. I ended up putting mine in a bowl because I want to put some seasonings in. I'm gonna put some salt in, some pepper and garlic powder. You can put yours in wraps or you can just eat it like this. It's so good.